What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Katana. Man, it's been a few days since coming back from Panama City. Trying to get back into the swing of things, back to work, back to reality, back to just being me, I guess. Sorry, my camera's shaking so bad because, as you can see, I have my GoPro sessions on my windscreen here and it's a little bit shaky. So please don't mind the shake a little bit. So I'll probably use this camera more because you know, it doesn't shake as much. Yeah, it's been a long time since I brought the Goldwing out. I know many people haven't seen me do any motor vlogs on this. It's been sitting in my garage. I don't know. This is the type of bike that, you know, I want to take long distance rides in and things like that. But I'm going to go get my daughter because it's my weekend to have her. So I decided to pick up in the Goldwing. She loves the Goldwing. You know, the crazy thing is this. She thinks that I'm going to give her this bike right here to her. She wants this bike. Now, wouldn't it be kind of weird having a 16-year-old riding to school on a motorcycle? I mean, it's crazy enough just to even, you know, think of her even driving a car. You know, I have to get used to that idea of her eventually driving a car, because she can drive a car. You know, I have had her ride go-karts for a lot of years and four-wheelers, and she can drive a car. She drove my mom's Mini Cooper. She drove my wife's car, things like that. So she can technically drive a car. She is capable of driving a car. She does a really good job at the age of 12. So she's got like another 3 years, almost 4 years, till she is able to drive a car. Oop. Yeah, get back in gear. So, you know, which I already have an idea of what kind of car she's gonna get. So I'm not really worried about getting her a car. That's easy. But thinking about giving her this motorcycle, yes, it's a pretty, if you're gonna give a young child a motorcycle, this Honda Goldwing with a trike kit on it would probably be the most suitable idea, because it is big, it is bulky, it's powerful, and it's pretty much a safe motorcycle. You know, it's not like she's riding a sport bike or she's riding a cruiser. So I'm glad in that. And riding this thing is really safe and durable and stable and things like that. And hit this yellow. Woo, yes. So if she was to ride a motorcycle, this would be the most ideal motorcycle for her. And insurance is not too bad. Like right now, it's a 96 Goldwing, and right now I pay $40 a year on liability for this bike. So yeah, so I guess this would be maybe the bike that I will give her, because she doesn't want me to sell it. Because like I've said before in previous videos, this bike was really I bought it for my mom to do rides with when she comes down and visit. But unfortunately, she passed away in June of last year. So it doesn't really get used. It just sits in my garage. But you know, she thinks that, you know, she wants this bike. So what do you guys think? You think I should give her this bike? You think I should like let her have it? Do you think I should wait until she gets older and give it to her, or do you think I should sell it and tell her get her own bike? But yeah, like I said, I don't know about that, because it's dangerous enough, a teenager driving a car. But do you really think it would be best as a parent to let my daughter, you know, have this bike and let her drive it to school? I mean, it's not really, you don't really see every day, you know, kids, you know, 18, 16 years old riding motorcycles to school. I mean, when I was growing up, I was just happy to have a car, let alone, you know, a car and a motorcycle. And yeah, my daughter's spoiled, but you know what? I'll tell you this. Yes, she's spoiled, but I will say this about her. She's a really smart student. She just got accepted to the honor society in her school and things like that. So she's been, you know, she takes all honor classes, and she's really smart, even though she's only in 6th grade. And that might not say much, but it's a start. You know, it's a really start to a good future. And you know, and looks good on her college too. When she decides to go to college, you know, looks good on her record. So, you know, me and her mother, you know, we try to, you know, keep that going. You know, her mother handles the school part of it, and I handle the fun and, you know, and vacationing and just, you know, life experience things. So that's what I take. That's the side I am on. But I mean, what do you guys think? You think I should give her this bike? I mean, I go back and forth about it. I mean, because I love the bike life. You know, I ride. That's who I loved riding. And I could imagine having that passion to ride when I was her age. So do I try to let her see if she can handle it? Because like I said, she's done 4-wheelers, go-karts, she's done a lot of other vehicles, she knows how to drive a car. So I'm not really worried about her driving skills. I just worry about her riding this thing, you know. And it's not hard to drive. You know, she has cruise control. It's big and bulky, like I said. It even has, you know, the platform feet, you know, for the platform. So there's, you know, there's platform feet to rest her feet, and also it's a heel toe shifter, so she doesn't have to worry about putting her foot underneath it and clicking up and stuff like that. So it's really, really easy, smooth, you know, bike. It is. I just wonder. And of course, my baby mama, she wants this bike too, you know, but that ain't gonna happen. My wife would kick my butt. Oh well, I'll try to get her to go in. Yep, I tried. Yeah, so yeah, my wife would kick my butt if I let my baby mama ride this motorcycle. So that's not gonna happen. So that's probably one of the stipulations, that her mother doesn't ride this motorcycle. I'll most likely keep it in my house until she learns, you know, how to ride this bike and things like that. But she has to take the class and go through the process of getting a motorcycle license. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? You think I should let her have this motorcycle? Please, in the comments, please let me know. Because I don't want to be that guy to give my daughter a motorcycle and then I got people calling me, or people saying I'm a bad parent, people saying that, oh, how irresponsible I am for letting a, you know, 16-year-old have a motorcycle, regardless if it's a big Goldwing. You know, I really don't want that, you know, on me, and I really don't want, like, something could happen. And granted, it doesn't really matter if it's a car, bike, truck, anything can happen. But riding a motorcycle kind of makes it more, you know, susceptible for things to happen, because there are dangerous vehicles. There's more likely to die in a motorcycle than you would a car. So if something would have happened to my daughter, I would feel really, really guilty, because I put her in a position to ride a motorcycle when she wasn't either ready, or just some freak accident happens, and I don't know how I can live with myself. That's a hard one. I mean, how old do you think it is appropriate age for somebody to have a motorcycle? Or do I just wait to see her maturity level when she becomes 16? Or maybe I should wait till she drives her car and see how she handles her car, and then give her a motorcycle. But like, my daughter wants both of them at the same time. Like, she wants to be able to ride a motorcycle to school and drive the car. Man. So I don't know, guys. Just let me know.